both cancer patient. We met at Amang Rodriguez University. Because every Monday up to Friday, we are there. But we are very happy. Whenever I cry, whenever I have problems, yung hindi ko pa natatanggap, yung nangyari sa buhay ko, Joy B is always beside me. Always telling something good, giving anything that she can comfort me. Parang ko na isang naging anak. Dahil wala akong anak na babae. 3 boys. Siya talaga ang naging unang best friend ko sa Amang University. Kung tawagin namin yung Amang Hospital, Rodriguez, Amang University. Kasi every morning at 6 o'clock, andoon na kami. Getting the number, pero 1 o'clock pa ang dating ng doktor. We have so many hours waiting. We are chika-chika, going somewhere else, to enjoy our life. Kaya masaya kami kahit kami mga cancer patient. I'm a stage 4, malignan. Breast cancer and gastric. Going 76 years old. This September. My friends in Amang Rodriguez, very young. All of them are calling me mommy because I'm the eldest. But the pasaway, magulo. That's life. I have to enjoy, we have to enjoy our life, because you don't know, God knows kung kailan tayo kunin. Ako, I'm very ready, because I'm a very blessed person. I reached 75 years old, and see, I can walk alone, I can mingle with friends, gala ko saan-saan. Baguio, Batangas, simbahan muna. Then, sa kagagala. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you po for sharing, Sis